Watch this.
Ako, kinakatakutan ko lagi si James siya pag hawak niya ang bola, lalo na pag tabla ang score o kaya dying seconds. Alam ko may gagawin siya.
Mag-miss siya ng maraming tira sa first 3 quarters. Pagdating ng fourth quarter, titira pa rin siya ng titira. Tapos doon niya nakukuha yung kumpiyansa na pag nakashoot siya na isa eh.
Every single person in the Coliseum knows that he's going to take that shot. And he still makes those shots against tough defenders.
Ako si James Yap, ang big game player ng Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants.
James Yap, pumalakpak lang, tumanong ng bola. Pasok!
When the game is on the line, he's not afraid to take that shot. And I'm not afraid to give it to him as well because he has proven it time and again.
Merong magsisave lagi eh. Merong magsisave ng play, merong magsisave ng game.
Hindi mas pagmamayabang, parang hindi na rin ako takot na kung sinong babantay sa akin.
Tried to isolate him on top, tried to beat this man one-on-one.
He has 10 seconds to shoot. James Yap goes inside. James Yap shooting! The basket using the glass. James Carlos Yap showing us an MVP-like performance.
The defense was really all over him and he hit a bank shot at the top of the key.
Naiwan ko yung bantay ko, pasalubong si Dixon yata yun. Hindi ko pwedeng dalawang kamay, so kailangan isang kamay para medyo mataas yung elevation ko.
You just can't help but commend your defender for doing a good job, but commending James Yap a lot more for scoring after the defender did a good job.
Alam ko masishoot ni James dahil expected ko na yan eh. Talagang hindi niya lang masishoot yan pag pinaul siya.
Alam ko that time na maganda yung bitaw ko, so yun yung maganda doon dahil pumasok.
He's done that against us more than 3 times already. And I hate it, but I love the guy. I love the guy.
Ralimi went down with 6 fouls. If this game goes to overtime, we might be hard-pressed to win. So, to give it to your best scorer, and at that time, he was unstoppable.
The man with a million moves has the ball, and he will try to win the game against Adriano. James Yap fires, scores, and James Yap wins the game for Pure Foods.
Yung talaga isolate talaga sa taas kasi siyempre parang alam rin ni Coach na malakas yung loob ko dahil dun sa coke nga, di ba? So alam rin ni Coach na pagdating sa ganyan, dito talaga siya pupunta sa akin.
We expected that he was going to get the last attempt. Kiko did a good job staying with him. I thought he put up a good challenge. We could not have done it any better than the way we defended him the last play. Siyempre, nung tinira ni James, sabi ko sana pumasok na. So, thank God, pumasok na rin.
Ang nasa isip ko lang talaga noon, manalo kami. I-shoot ko to, yun lang. Yun, wala na akong marami pang iniisip na, uy, baka hindi ko to ma-shoot. Baka kung mag-overtime pa, matalo kami.
Pure Foods is really lucky to have a player like James. An option where you can just find him, get the ball in his hands, and clear the floor. Kukunti yung mga ganong player.
Meron kasi ibang player na takot i-blame na ikaw nagpatalo o ikaw, di ba? So, ang mindset ko kasi hindi ako takot na i-blame nila ako dahil alam mo sa sarili mo na binigay mo yung best mo.
Special talaga si James eh. Willing siyang tumira, gusto niyang tumira pagdating ng endgame. So, blessed kami na meron kaming teammate na gano'n.
James Yap's the best crunch time scorer in the league today. Game's on the line and he has the ball. You've got to make sure you're ready to do something about it.
Stars, they're the ones that have the opportunity to make big shots because the coaches put the ball in their hands. Whether you come through with it is the real question. And James Yap always seems to come through when he has the ball in his hands.
And when the game is on the line, where do you go? You go to the king. What a shot by James Yap.
I've seen him do that time and again, and I'm sure he will deliver the goods for us in the future games. That's how good King James is.